Hi traders, Anthony here. If you've been struggling to be consistently profitable trading the currency markets, this video could be one of, if not the most important video you ever watch. And I don't say that lightly. I've got two trading strategies, back-tested, profitable. And I've built these indicators around the strategy. So the indicators give me alerts. For example, these ones trade directly off the alert. Okay, that's one of them. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you this guy here. This is my cloud breakout trade strategy. I'm going to share with you my set of rules around this and how to go about setting this up. First thing is to set up a list of instruments you like to trade and then just click through them and have a look at the alert and see if they work. Pick a time frame, so I like a 15-minute chart. I'm going to use that. And it's very simple. We trade the alert on the time frame with the set of rules, and we don't have to do any technical analysis, no higher time frame, anything. Just go with the alert regardless. That's in the most simplest way to do this, is just go with that. I'm going to take every one of these trades regardless of the higher time frame. I just want to come into the chart on the time frame. Here's the alert. It's this one here off the trend channel. I'll just disable it for a second. Back on. And we are trading this guy. Here it is here, break out of the cloud. So you'll see that the alert fires when price moves out of the cloud. And I think we might have another one down here. That's it. That's the alert we want. And the trade is going to be simply taken when we get a pullback into this green and red channel. Very, very simple. Let's just start from here. We just grab a long position. Okay, as soon as we trade into the channel here, we go with it, we buy. The stop loss is 50% of the cloud underneath here. You see this cloud? These two lines, so stop loss is going to be about halfway. Just do it by eye. Okay. TP1 can be 0.6 or thereabouts. And you might think the risk reward doesn't look so great, but it actually is. And I'll show you why. That's the trade we're going to take. Here's another signal here. It pulled back into the channel, our green and red channel. All right, so we simply take the trade right there. Long position, as soon as it hits the channel, we're in. Have a look at the cloud under. We're going to go 50% for the stop loss, which is 50% of that. There's our channel there. And TP1 is going to be 0.6, 0.6. There it is there. Simple. That's it. So what we look to do, we're looking for closing this at TP1 2/3 of our position. On TradingView, you can take partial profits of 2/3. Now, if you're trading MT4, open 3 positions and close 2 of them. Let's just bump that up a little bit so we can see. So you close 2/3 of your position at TP1 here, and you leave the rest in. And then the last open position has an opportunity to make a bunch of money. A ton of money, in fact. So let's just check this strategy out. Pulls back into our channel here. We go long. Use TradingView for this. Go halfway in the cloud for our stop loss. 0.6. I mean, you can change that if you want to, but that's going to be my set of rules. That's TP1. And then we leave 1/3 of our trade in, and we get that. So far, no stop loss has been hit. This signal here, we're now starting to see the pullback into our channel. You might notice, by the way, our other indicator. Look at these signals. This guy, this one, and this one. Well, this is a counter trend trade. So after our cloud breakout, we can trade that back down into our channel if you want to. Cloud breakout, we get the dot, trade it back down into the channel, and then go long in the channel. Cloud breakout, red dot, trade it back down into the channel, close it there, go long in the channel. Cloud breakout, green dot, trade that back into the channel, close it in the channel, and then now go short. We've just broken our red line there, but this is where we go short. There. What am I looking for? Stop loss is going to be 50% of the channel above. These 2 line dots, I should say. Stop loss goes there, between those, halfway. TP1 will be 0.6 So 0.76 is about roughly there. 6.1, that'll do. All right, we take that trade short and we close 2/3 of our position at, let's just pull that out so we can see it. Close 2/3 here and leave the rest in, because last remaining could give us that. And that's where we make our money. That's serious money if we leave it in and look at the result here. Okay, so let's just go back. So far, 1, 2, I don't know, 3, 4 trades, 100%. Let's just see how the strategy worked here. Okay, there's our signal. We went short here, short position. It came back into the channel, so we short it. We're looking for 50% of our cloud above, and target is going to be 0.6, 0.596. How did that work out? Interesting. All right, have a look. It traded down. TP1, touch right there. Stop loss, did it touch? Not quite. Under. It's under. So we stayed in. Okay, so we're still in the trade, and then eventually it moved up and took our stop. But you know what you can do? Like at TP1, as soon as you hit TP1, if you want to, you could move your stop loss down to break even if you want to. You've already closed 2/3 of your position, right? So you might want to do that. You know what? I personally would leave the stop loss where it is and let it get taken out in this case, because you're still going to be in the money with this setup. Remember, we're closing 2 of our trades and we've still got 1 in. So 2/3. This is only 1/3 of our position. So far, we've got a 100% success rate. Here's our signal, okay, out of the cloud. Long position. Come down into the channel here. We go long. Follow the rules. Stop loss is halfway in the cloud. This is 0.6. We take 2/3 of our position off at TP1 and we leave the rest in. Have a look at that. There's our stop loss. Look at this. Let me just pull a line through there. That's our stop loss. We leave 1 in and look what we get. This is the benefit of this system. There's our trade. Look at the outcome. That's where we make some serious money. Okay, so far, you know, we've had a 100% hit rate win. Look at that. And all of these trades here, you got that 1/3 of your position still in. If you read the market well, you're going to leave it in there until, I don't know, you get a full trend reversal or something like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6 out of 6 so far. And so you want to do this. You just want to back test by just doing this. Go back 10 or even 20 and just see the kind of win rate you get. Stick with the rules. Short position is when you come into our trend channel. There it is there. Okay, stop loss is going to go wherever you enter short. It's going to go halfway between that. TP1 is going to be 0.6 in my case. This is where TP1 is touched here. And I mean, you may have read that well and closed it when you saw this trend changing down here. That could have been your outcome. So you could have closed it somewhere around here where you got a break of this line, maybe here. Number 7, same thing, pretty much. That was I can see here the stop loss wasn't taken out at all. There's your entry. Stop loss was up here, and look at the outcome. And I mean, these are the kind of trades that we love when we get these. Very, very nice. Apply our set of rules long. There's our signal. Pull back down into our channel. We go long. Okay, we pull this wherever we are. We just pull it halfway into this cloud here. Because this thing's actually worked on the average true range calculator. Okay, so it's working the average range of this chart. Take 2/3 off at 0.6 and just look at the outcome here. You've got 1/3 of your position still in there. You entered here and just look at that. You see the trend change up here, then you exit. Okay, so this is very good. I mean, seriously good. What have we got here? Okay, here's a bearish break. Let's see if this worked out. Run with the rules. Short position. We're looking for short on touch of the channel here. We're going to go stop loss up there. We're going to go 0.6. Look at that. That's why I want to go 0.6. Don't be greedy. TP1. You go 0.7 if you want, but I would rather just take 2/3 out early and be in the money, and then just leave the rest in. Well, that was a short, by the way. Okay, so I mean, it's still profitable because we've had TP1 touched here. Okay, we entered right there. TP1 was touched, and then the stop loss was hit. So that's another successful trade. Now, rather than repeat the entire process another 10 times, I went back and found that 19 out of 20 trades were a successful trade. in the money. Now I want to show you my Discord channel. Click on the link below, it'll take you into here. When you come in, go up, welcome, read all this stuff, go down to our Indicators Trading View, there's all the tutorials. Buy and sell alerts, this is the pin bar pivots, and I'll put another channel in here and we'll call it the trend channel, and we'll do the tutorials in here. Lifetime access, guys, if you click this, I was actually selling this for $59.95, lifetime access, but I've gone one step better. If you go to join premium up here, which is there, click on that. For the same price, regardless of whatever happened, this is a subscription and you can cancel this at any time, but this is a premium subscription to all my trade signals. Same price. If you decide to pull out at any time for whatever reason and you don't want the trade signals, the TradingView indicators, you'll still have lifetime access. So guys, click on one of these, join my premium, gain lifetime access, and added benefit of my premium traders room up here. All this stuff down here is all the free stuff. Okay guys, with that, safe trading. Look forward to seeing you in Discord, and see you in the next video.